Welcome back, everybody. It's Mark. Well, it's time to talk about event number 4 for the USA Bassin Series. It was July 14th, 2024, and it was tough. It was a tough day. I'm going to let you watch it, check it out, and I'll get back to you here in a minute.
Right here. Come here. Okay. Okay. All right. Cherry is popped. Okay. Good morning. Hi, buddy. On the board. That took too long, you guys. It took me an hour and 45 minutes to get my first fish. I'll take it. It's a 2.5. We might be onto something though. We might have the right color. Ah! He was right on it. Really particularly. The fish came and just sat there and like looked at it, and he mouthed it, and I freaking reefed on it. I watched it, and I missed him. I think they like the color though. That's the most interest I've had all morning is the last 10 minutes. So we're gonna keep piss pounding the frog for a minute. The first one there just slurped it, and I let him take it for a second to make sure it was in his mouth, and then I gave it to him, and he enjoyed a hook set for sure. But I'm feeling better about it now, man. I was absolutely struggling this morning. Like I didn't have a follower, I didn't have shit, and I start wondering maybe I'm doing the wrong thing. Oh God! I should have 3 fish right now. That fish too. I never saw it until I lifted up on it. He did not strike it. He just sucked it in his mouth. God damn it. I mean, that fish was in 6 inches of water right underneath that mat. That's how we're gonna get him, guys. It's just gonna be a tough go. I'm gonna have to be really on my pay attention shit game. little one. I think he's 12. Hope he's 12.
Well, as you can see, you know, it was tough fishing for me. I missed them, and I had some on and missed them, and that hurt bad. I needed one more fish to get my 5, and I just couldn't pull it off. It was a bummer, but you know, we'll get them next time. It's been a really kind of a bummer season for me doing this and this deal, and part of it was just not really practicing like I'm used to. We'll figure it out. Like I said, we'll get them next time. I've been struggling this year, you guys. Drake's been fishing with me. He could not come to this event. He was engaged with some friends doing some stuff on that day. So it was just me solo. And you guys have a great day. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you real soon. Take it easy.